Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are on an adventure. Look at that nice view today guys. We're at a river. We're going to do some river cooking. Look at that guys, that is so beautiful. Over there you have Ocean and Naya lifestyle. So guys, we're enjoying ourselves at the river. It's really nice.
Outdoor cooking. Yeah, outdoor cooking there, you know. Yeah, man. Island adventure. Ocean and Naya lifestyle, you see me. Yeah, man.
See Ocean and Naya over here.
Yes, guys. You don't know, we're here with Island Adventure JA and outdoors cooking. And we have to make the thing epic, right? I'm going to go over there and subscribe. Show them some love and support, right? You don't know, say Ocean deal with heart and love. Right, my people? Yeah, man. So big up on yourself and enjoy the beautiful place. Jamaica. Now let's go.
Alright.
This is Island Adventure. That's a food, you know?
And so we have the fire over here, so I catch up, we go cook up a storm.
That's a code, me a taste in our hand today. Yeah. Yo, one time we get some peas in the ocean. Oh, now you actually we're going there? Okay, guys, enjoy yourself. Is it all adventure? You can go as far as up here, outdoor cooking, you know we do it. No. You know, say we anywhere Ocean pull up with the vibe. I'm gonna wash it off with some vinegar. I quick marinate this. Yeah. Overnight marinate, you know. Still I go back. You see that while ago? Yeah. Right now, but
Guys, the river vibe is really nice. A wonderful woman checked in. Everybody enjoy themselves. Real nice. Guys, enjoy ourselves at the river.
Man, this season up, so you have baking powder, season and everything in there. So
rice and peas, and they have a fried chicken over there. Checking guys, we come to the end of the video. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye.